How to move rows in Excel. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up with that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that, what we can do is we can head over to Excel and open up a document. For example, let's say this is the document. So what you can do is you can use the drag and drop method. So you can select up the entire row like this, and you can just go over and move your cursor to the edge of selection. So go ahead and select it and you can move it. You can just go over and head over and move it this way. And you should be able to switch it basically. Move your cursor to the edge of the selection until it turns into a four-sided arrow. And you can hold Shift and drag the row to the new position. And again, like this, you should be able to do it and the row will be inserted there. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and cut and insert. So you can press Ctrl+X for that. And once you've done that, you can right click on the row where you want to move it. So Ctrl+X and you can right click on the row where you want to move it, for example this. After that, you can click on the option called Insert Cut Cells and go ahead and do so, and that will do it. That will insert it. Or we can use the ribbon method. For that, once you've selected the row like this, you can just go over to the Home tab in the top and go to the section for Cut, this one right here. Select it. After that, you can select your destination row where you would like to add it. Right click on it, select the option of Insert Cut Cells, and go ahead and insert it that way. And that's it. Always use Shift while dragging to insert instead of override. If Excel asks you to replace data, you can click Cancel and try again with Shift. So that's it everybody, you can follow out this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.